what's up guys? Welcome back to another video of the Subi. So today I ordered a couple car parts. One is going to take a while, but this one that's coming today is for my interior. I finally ordered it for the car because, you know, this one is kind of slacking a lot. It just doesn't look good anymore, and then plus I broke this carbon fiber thing. So if you already know what I'm getting because of the title, obviously. But yeah, that should be coming in today, and then that's pretty much it. So I'm just gonna wash the car and then install it when it gets here. And also I didn't record it, but I did roll my fenders because when I put on these spacers, I ordered some spacers, 20 mil, I think. What are these? Oh, 15 millimeters spacers for the rays, just to pop them out a little bit. This back tire one was hitting the fender because it's pretty low, so as you can see I shredded it a little bit. I will need new tires, so that's the next plan. But I did roll my fenders, and that process is pretty easy. I don't know if I'm gonna roll the front. I mean, they do rub, but not as bad as the back we're rubbing, so it's pretty cool. So yeah, I don't think I need to rub. I mean, I don't think I need to roll these fenders in the front. Not sure yet, but you know, they do hit when I hit a bump. I mean, they are popping out pretty crazy. But I like this. I like how they look, man. Fully flush to the fender. But if I have to roll these fenders, I will. Other than that, that's pretty much it. That's all I gotta say for today's video. I'm just gonna wash the car, and when that part comes in, I'll skip to that and I'll show you how that looks and see if I can install it myself. It is plug and play, so we'll see. Other than that, that's pretty much it, guys. Oh, and also, last time I recorded this, it was too dark to see, but here it is, guys. Here's the carbon fiber door card panel thing, cover thing you want to call. This double-sided taped on there. I mean, I think it looks really good with the interior they have. Carbon fiber there, carbon fiber there, carbon fiber there. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. I am gonna do an installation of the. So by the way, that new thing that I got, it's called the idoing head unit. I got it from, well, I ordered it from wrxdaily, so it should be in today. It took a while, so I was kind of freaking out. Thought I wasn't gonna get it, but finally got an email today that it was coming in today. So yeah, that's all I gotta say today. So let's get to the video and wash the car and then wait for that part later on today. Alright, just enjoy the video. Well, here it is. This came all the way from, I guess, China. So I gotta give props to UPS for handling it really well. There's no broken stuff. I mean, there's no dents in the box or anything. The back of the box looks really good. So yeah, let me open it up really quick. Alright guys, there's the box. Idoing. So hopefully I got the right one, because mine is a 2015 with the Harman kardon. I think that's what it's called, Harman kardon or something. The system of the car. So they say to look out for these cables and make sure that it came with everything. This one is it right here, guys. I mean, I like how everything's blacked out. I was worried it's gonna have the gray silver what's it called, the silver trim. So let's just hope this all works. I don't know if it's because this is a new one. So let's connect everything we can. You know, I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm doing it. I'm just kidding. Maybe I should look this shit up. But if it fits, you know, what's the point? Oh! I did a bad one trying to take that other one out, but oh well, it was already broken because when I tried to take it off once, and now I completely jacked it up. So there it is. This one's broken and this one is broken, but I already put on the vents on this one and the hazard thing. I just need to get this off and put it on the new one. So let me do that really quick. Alright guys, well there it is. Fully installed pieces. I just need to figure out the wiring and that's it. I have the harman kardon, but it didn't come with this, so I guess if it doesn't work, I'm gonna have to reach out for them to get it, because those videos say I need that little box, but this one didn't come with it, so we'll see. Alright guys, so it's installed, it's plugged in and everything, but it doesn't work. It does no sound. It's the stupid little canvas decoder thing for the harman kardon stereo system. I think I need it, and that's why there's no sound. I mean, everything works fine. It's kind of hard to get used to, but I mean, there's my There's no Bluetooth. YouTube works, but I need to upgrade. I guess I need to update the system. This is kind of like a Google, like an Android head unit, you know, Android like your phone. So it works fine. I just got to figure out how to do accounts and stuff and how to add my stuff. So it fits perfectly fine in here. Down here is perfect. It's only when you get up here where there's a challenge and the color is not matching. You see how this one's more gray than this one. But yeah, right here it's like it comes up. So, but I mean, I got it to work. It works fine. Sicko Evo over there. Yeah, I will trade my car in right now for that. I'm just kidding. But yeah, there it is. It looks good in the interior. I just wish it worked, but I think I got to order that, and let's see how long it takes. So I'm gonna talk to them and see if that's what it is, and if it is, then I will order it. But other than that, I'll see you guys in a couple seconds when I finally have it working. All right, peace out. Yo, what's up, guys? I'm back after a couple seconds. Just kidding, a couple days. I finally fixed my issue with the sound. I contacted idoing, and they just told me it was a wire, and they told me which wire it was to connect the hardened kardon to sound on the amplifier. So now everything works. It's running perfectly. I mean, sometimes it freezes, but overall it restarts itself, so it works pretty good. It boots up pretty quickly and everything. I freaking love this thing now. I downloaded Spotify onto it, so I can choose my music here instead of on my phone, and then it just uses Bluetooth to make the sound from my phone's Bluetooth to this. You know, it's kind of complicated, but you know, I guess this doesn't play the sound from the app, so that's why I use the thing. So overall, I'm very excited with this system. I like how it looks. Fitment wise, I finally got it to work perfectly up here, so there's no issues anymore. And then down here, so you just gotta like mess with it. I started from the top, push down the middle, sides, and then down here I just push up towards up here, and it finally clicked them. Overall, everything's working good. Has Wi-Fi, Bluetooth. The maps looks good, works well. I mean, I'm not gonna get into depth on how this system works. I mean, there's plenty of videos out there that show you, because I've seen those videos. But overall, just a new thing that I got for the car, and I'm excited to use it more now. And it just looks insanely better in here now. That was overall the only thing that looked outdated in the car. So yeah, quick little update, guys. I got the video to work. So yeah, it's playing right now. YouTube. You can also make the screen bigger. The only problem is Wi-Fi. Yeah, well, that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.